room ready to film. Okay, we are all set up and I'm gonna get a sip of that. So good, guys. Oh yeah, it's hot. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Justine. I am a social media consultant and a content creator, and here on YouTube I love to show you how to create amazing content and how to grow your social media. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to schedule and plan your Instagram feed. I will share with you my organization and aesthetic secret. I am going to show you exactly what I do and how I do it using the app Preview. There are two kinds of people on Instagram. There is the people who are planning their content way ahead of time, like me, otherwise I am stressing out. And there's the people who just feel like posting today and they post today. So if you're this kind of person and you want to change your Instagram strategy and you want to start planning ahead of time, follow my instructions. First, you will need to download the app Preview. It's available on the App Store as well as on Android, so you can find it everywhere. And the app is totally free. You don't need to buy any of the subscription to use it. I am personally using the free option, so you can do too. With the free option, you can use the app with only one Instagram account and you can schedule your post, add some hashtags, use a couple of their filters if it's what you want, and you will be able to copy the caption and copy your post to Instagram. I am doing mine manually because there is a ton of things that I do between what I'm scheduling on Preview and when I am actually posting on Instagram. So there is that, but otherwise I know they can auto-publish for you. So I don't know if it's available in the free version. I don't think so. So I'm just going to show you how I do, and if you like this method, follow. Since my Preview app is already all set up on my iPhone and that I have tons of new content that I cannot share with you yet, I will show you the Preview app on my iPad and we're going to start from the beginning as I just downloaded the app. So I'm going to record my screen as I do usually, and I'm going to show you exactly what you should do. So we're going to go on App Store and we're going to looking for Preview. Once we find it, it's this one with all those colored squares, and we are downloading it. We are going to open it. Now they are telling you everything about the app, everything you can do. That's awesome. Okay, so we are going to use the free account. As you can see, on the free account you get one user, one device, unlimited posts, 2 filter packs, and basic analytics. Otherwise you can do their pro or their premium. What do they do on the pro? The pro, it's $7.99 a month. You can have one user, one device, unlimited spots, all filter packs, analytic, competitor analytic, hashtag analytics, and repost. It's not that bad for 1 month. Alright, let's do the free. Alright, for login, I'm going to log in with Facebook. Once you are logged in, you are going to see your Instagram feed into the app. So this is where the planning starts. Quick tour of the app. Here is the calendar where you're going to see all your scheduling posts. Here you are going to be able to see some of your analytics. On the plus option, you will be able to add a photo or a video, a carousel, take your own pictures, take a video and add it to his Preview feed. It's time to add some pictures to the app. For my Instagram feed to be aesthetically pleasing, I am downloading all the pictures that I want to share with you. For example, if I'm going to Walt Disney World or if I'm going to Universal Studios, I'm going to take tons of pictures, and when I say tons of pictures, I'm not even kidding. I edit them with the presets that I made, and once they are all edited, I am dragging those pictures from Lightroom to the preview app, all of them. So sometimes I can have like 40 new pictures that I upload to the app preview, and I'm going to play on how they are going to look in the future on my feed. Does that make sense? I think the best way for you to understand is actually to show you. Once again, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use random pictures because I don't want to spoil any of my content, but the result is the same. I did my first step. I've selected 6 pictures from my photothèque that I brought to Lightroom that I edit as my liking, and I'm going to bring those pictures to the other app. I think I said other app. I need to stop edit picture, guys. I said other app. I wanted to say to the preview app because we're talking about the preview app right now, not the other app, okay? Back into the app, and now we're going to import our pictures into the preview app. So you are going to go on the plus and you are going to add your 6 or plus photos. I'm going to select this, that. I'm going to select my 6 pictures. There you go. They are all here. So now you can see exactly how those pictures are going to look like on your feed. Here, what I would do, I am going to drag pictures and put them in different places to see exactly what is going to look the best with my other pictures and make the colors even, if that makes sense. So for example, me and the kids over there, and if you want to switch to pictures, you can just tap on those pictures and tap on those rows. All right, I like it like this. Sometimes I am going somewhere and take a new pictures, and then I uploaded this picture and change all my schedule again. So my posts are planned, but they can change. They don't have to be posted at the time I thought they would be posted. You know what I mean? You can always change them. So sometimes I add some new pictures and I make sure they look good. So to write the caption on your post, you're going to select your post and you're going to go on the little bubble there. Here it says write caption. So you write your caption. Awesome time for my birthday. Can't wait to do it again. Easy, right? Now what I do, writing my hashtags. So for my hashtag, I'm not going to tell you all the hashtag strategy that I'm using, but what I can tell you is that more your hashtags fits what is actually on your picture and more the hashtag will work. Instagram is a visual platform. You cannot write hashtag dogs if on your pictures there is no dogs. You get it? Okay, so I'll say kayak, nature, blah 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 blah. So I'm trying to find relevant hashtag. When I'm done, I will schedule this post. So here you have the schedule post, allow it, and you can say, okay, I'm gonna schedule this on Thursday at 10 a.m. So if you know your Instagram account, you will know exactly when is the best time for you to post. I will say 12:26 p.m. Okay, confirm. When it's done, you post is scheduled. When this is the time for you to post on your Instagram, the preview app will send you a notification saying, hey, it's time to post. So what you will do, you will click on this notification or you will go directly on the app. You will go on the little screen with the arrow here and they say copy caption, and they ask you if you want to post on Instagram. So post on Instagram, select feed, next, and here you are going to paste the caption that is already copied. There you go. You can delete the preview app or hashtag preview, whatever you want. Then add your location and tag people and you're done. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you and for your Instagram. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. If you like this video and want to support your girl, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to never miss any tips on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you next time. Hi hop, hi hop, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho.